Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope all is well. I just wanted to thank every one of you for great year 2024, and thank you so much for buying my books. And my books are infused with love and prayers for your success and prosperity in your future endeavor, current and future endeavor. And I've been involved with publishing my books, and they are in the market, circulating in the market worldwide. And my music, I felt that I should express my thoughts, my feelings through my poetry and lyrics. And I produced some albums which are streaming online on different platforms and radio stations in the US. And I couldn't believe that my songs reach to people worldwide. I mean, I'm not even promoting my music, and yet people in Vietnam are listening. I mean, they are top ranked among all my listeners, and thank you so much to my listeners in Vietnam and the lovely people of Ukraine, Russia, England, United States, Australia, hello, Middle East, Africa, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And I'm not promoting because I believe that those who are meant to reach and listen to my music, read my poems, read my books, then they will get them. They will either buy them or somehow listen to my music. And I felt that I was called to reach more people through my lyrics and music. So I wrote in different languages, which I know many of you know that I grew up as a trilingual child, and my specialty is linguistic beside other stuff like within technology and writing nonfiction, fiction books. And it's amazing. And I don't know how to thank you for that. That's drove me to produce content and empowered me in terms of storytelling to make films. And I'm still trying to finance my films, and hopefully in God's time it happens. And yeah, 2025 is a promising year for all of us. Let's fingers crossed. And I have so many plans in 2025, and we will see how it goes. I really enjoyed many of your comments, reading them, of course. And I am honored to have such beautiful minded people among my followers, listeners. And I honestly am not promoting, I mean, seriously promoting my works, because I feel that the right people will find my work. And I hope that we all be prosperous in whatever we do, and our lives be filled with love and compassion and joy and success, because we all do need love. I mean, love is greater than money. I'm not bullshitting you. This is the truth. I mean, imagine you have a lot of money, but a meaningless, loveless life. What's the point? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, that's all. I just don't know what else to say other than wish you a great Christmas, and I see you in my next videos and share with you my thoughts, ideas in my different channels related to poetry, filmmaking, technology, digital marketing, and in such nature. And thank you so much for all your followings. And yeah, have a lovely day. Bye, everybody.